Okay, included in this with this tractor is an extra live power takeoff unit, the dual tricycle front end, and the two rims, but tires are shot to make it a dual tricycle. One additive of this tractor is the front end is from converting it from a 3-spoke front end. We got 560 hubs and spindle legs and spindles in the tractor for loader use. Also, if you'll notice in the video that how easy it is to steer, it's got a steering priority valve on the live hydraulics that really adds to the power steering effect. I've owned it for over 50 years, came out of Bighorn, Montana years ago. It was my father's pride and joy, and I brought it home and it had a loader on it at that time. He says, "Thanks, kid, I'm taking this." So my dad enjoyed it for a lot of years. It needs nothing.